Hello, everyone. In this video, we will discuss about installation process of latest available version of Java. So, for that we need to open browser. In browser, search for Oracle space Java. And click on first link. And in this page, click on download Java. And then scroll up. Here select Windows. Then here you have to select this option, which is 64-bit installer. Click on this. And confirm your location. And click Save. Now wait until it's downloaded. And after downloading, click on Open File. In this dialog box, click on Next. And then Next. Now here, installation process starts. After installation, open File Explorer and click on this PC and open C drive. Then here click on Program Files. In Program Files, click on Java and open JDK 22. And then bin. And click here and copy this path. Open Apps and search for System Environment Variables. And here this is. Click on Open. And here go to Advance. And here open Environment Variables. And under System Variables, search and click on Path. And here select Edit. Here select New. And paste that copy Java bin path here. And click on OK. And again OK. And again OK. That's it, finished. And we can confirm this installation from command prompt. So, now open command prompt. Type this exact command, Java, space, hyphen, version, and enter. And here I got the exact version of Java, which I installed recently. So here in this case, I installed Java 22. Now we will confirm with sample Java code. So now we will create sample Java code. For that, open File Explorer and open this PC and open C drive. And here, right-click, click on New and click on Folder. I will create new folder with name Java code. And in this folder, I'll create one sample Java file. Right-click here, click on New Text Document. And here, I'm giving name as sample.java. So, why .java? Because here, we are creating Java file. So we have to mention .java extension. Then only it becomes Java file. Otherwise, it becomes only text file. And click Enter. We will get this dialog box. And click Yes. Open this in Notepad. And here I'll write simple Java code. And here I am saving the file by pressing Ctrl+S. And select this file, and click here, and remove the whole text, and type CMD and press enter. Now you will redirect to the command prompt. So here, you have to first compile the Java code by giving command as javac space file name.java. And now it compiled successfully without any errors. And here again, we have to execute the code. Now Java space sample. See here our Java printed. Welcome to Java World. So our installation of Java latest version is successfully completed. And we tested it also. And it is working perfectly fine.